Hey guys, welcome to our kitchen. Now Al and I live in a rental property. We've been here for 4 years and we'd like to be here for a lot longer. We're starting to create a lot of really beautiful timber furniture throughout our house, and we've decided that we want to just give our handles a little bit of a makeover and change them over to timber. So we're just going to show you a really quick and easy way to update a rental property, and then you can take the handles with you when you move on.
The first thing I did was measure my existing door handles, and I decided that I wanted to make mine a little bit longer, so I went with 200mm each. I then measured the distance between all of the screws, and I checked each door and discovered that some spacings were bigger than others, so I made a note of how many I needed of each size. I chose to make our handles out of Vic Ash hardwood because we've got so much furniture in our house that's made out of Vic Ash, and I just really wanted everything to match together. I ripped it down to 19mm by 19mm, but you could easily pick up timber moulding that would suit from your local hardware store. Using a mushroom router bit, I routed the back edge of my rips of timber to create the hand pull. It is always good to do a test on a scrap piece of timber first when using a router. Once routed, I sanded all of my edges nice and smooth. Then I made a mark on my table saw and I cut my pieces to 200mm each. Using hand sandpaper, I sanded my cut edges nice and smooth. I measured and marked exactly where I wanted all of my screw pieces to go, referring to the notes that I'd made earlier. Then I pre-drilled my holes. I used a hard wax oil to seal all of my pieces, and once dry, I replaced my existing door handles with my new timber ones, making sure to select screws that were the right length. I absolutely love how this has changed our kitchen. It really ties together the furniture and now the cabinetry. And this is such an easy project if you're a renter and you just want to change your kitchen up a bit. You can find all of the step-by-step instructions to do this project at alanimo.com.au.